Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Dutch braid in your hair. This hairstyle takes nothing and it's very attractive, very easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's get started without further ado. Of course, the first and foremost step for every hairstyle is to comb our hair properly. So you need a very properly combed hair for this hairstyle. So let's start by combing our hair. Once you are done by combing your hair properly, you need to take some sections from the top of your head, like you take in French braid. You don't need to be very perfect while this. Like you don't need a proper semicircle. You can work with this irregular lines as well. It doesn't matter at all. Then what you have to do with this section, you need to divide this section into three parts, three equal halves. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now, what we do while making a simple braid, we take this third strand over the middle strand and then the left or the rightmost strand over the newly made middle strand. Like this we make the normal braid, but in this hairstyle what we have to do, we need to reverse the step. Like the strand which goes over the middle strand, you need to take that strand under the middle strand. Okay, so you need to take this strand under this strand, middle strand, and hold the middle strand in your other hand. Then you need to take the left or rightmost strand under the newly made middle strand. Okay, then again you have to take this outermost strand under the middle strand, but here you have to add on some portion of your hair from the leftover part, like you do in the French braid. You need to take this much section and add onto the strand which you are going to take under. Okay, again we need to repeat this step from the other side. Every time we need to add on the hair to the strand which is going under the middle strand, except for the step 1. Now guys, we have to tie our hair. Here, while tying your hair, you must leave a lot of portion, not a lot of, but yeah, sufficient portion, so that there is a twist which will be helped by leaving this much portion. Now the twist which I was talking about while tying my hair, the twist is that you have to stretch your hair like this. For stretching it easily, so that you don't face any problem, you need to tie your this hair very loose so that you don't face any problem. So you have to stretch it like this. For stretching, let's start stretching our hair from the top of our hair. Okay, stretching your hair like this is totally your opinion. If you want to stretch your hairs apart, you can, like I'm doing right now. But my advice would be, you should do this step, as this step gives hair very uh, volume, and very much volume, and yeah, your braid looks very attractive and it's look nice basically. So you must do this step, and now we are going to tie our hairs tightly. Again, comb your hairs, leftover hairs, and we are done with our braid, which is the Dutch braid.